Sarojini Naidu went to the University of Madras at the tender age of 12. Later on, under the scholarship given by the Nizam, she went on to study at the King's College in London and later on at the G. Eton College in Cambridge.
At merely 13 years of age, Sarojini Naidu wrote The Lady of Lake, 1300-line poem, The Broken Wing, Mehar Muni, The Bird of Time are some of the other popular works of Sarojini Naidu.
Sarojini Naidu was very active during the pre-independence era, from going to the jail to spreading the importance of a non-violent approach to gain independence from the Britishers. Mrs. Sarojini Naidu became the first Indian woman to be elected the President of the Indian National Congress. She later on also became the first governor of Uttar Pradesh post-independence.
An excellent orator with a flair for writing, Mrs. Sarojini Naidu had a distinct sense of humor. She kept everyone enthralled with her impeccable anecdotes.
Mrs. Sarojini Naidu's birth anniversary is also celebrated as National Women's Day. She believed in working hard in order to achieve success.